Relationships can suffer when one person's bad habits undermine another's ability to trust, respect, or even enjoy being in the same company as them. Being around someone with a bad habit can be uncomfortable or draining, and it might give onlookers the impression that the person in question doesn't care about them or what they need. Therefore, it is crucial to reflect on one's personal behaviors and to work to change those that could be harmful to one's social life or professional standing. Welcome to Better Human Academy. In today's video, we will talk about 7 habits that make others dislike you instantly. Make sure to watch all the way through, because these habits will help you maintain positive relationships with others. Number 1. Being rude. Being rude or disrespectful involves acting in a way that is not kind or courteous to other people. One example is the use of profanity or slurs, as well as other forms of language designed to offend or put down people. Interrupting someone while they're talking shows a lack of consideration for the other person's time and opinions. Condescending behavior, shown in tone or body language, is a sign that the individual views themselves as better than the other person. Any one of these actions may cause others to form an instantaneous distaste for you. Therefore, even if you disagree with someone or have a different point of view, it's crucial to treat them with respect and kindness. In the long run, this can help people get along better and prevent arguments. Number 2, being untrustworthy. Someone who is dishonest or untrustworthy is not dependable or truthful. This can manifest in numerous ways, including lying, cheating, and violating promises. When someone lies, they knowingly give information that they know to be untrue. On the other hand, when people cheat, they do something they know is wrong or dishonest to get ahead. Making a promise or commitment and then breaking it can also cause others to lose faith in you and harm your reputation. If people have reason to believe they cannot trust you, or if this behavior is characteristic of who you typically are, they may form strong negative opinions of you very quickly. Trust serves as the cornerstone of any meaningful relationship, and its destruction can be incredibly challenging to overcome. Maintaining trust and preventing damage to relationships requires being honest and reliable. Make sure to watch until the end, as we will be sharing one of the most important habits that makes others dislike you. Number 3, being critical. When people are extremely critical or negative, they criticize or voice unfavorable opinions all the time. Constantly whining about something can be tiring and unpleasant for those around you. One way to make others feel like they'll never be able to win you over is to constantly find faults and point out shortcomings. As a result, people may avoid you or find it difficult to conduct upbeat conversations with you if you have a perpetually gloomy disposition. They may start to detest you rapidly, since they believe they are not capable of winning you over. Therefore, it's best to look on the bright side of things and dwell on the positive rather than lingering on the negative. In the long run, this can make for better relationships and a more pleasant atmosphere for everyone involved. Number 4, being self-centered. To be self-centered or selfish is to prioritize one's own interests over those of one's fellow humans. It's easy to come across as self-centered if you're continuously focused on achieving or advancing your own interests, even if it means putting the needs of others on the back burner. People may get the impression that you don't care about them or their needs if you constantly demand attention or insist on getting your way. Taking the greatest or most precious things for oneself without giving thought to the needs of others is a surefire way to develop enemies. If you act this way, people may conclude that you aren't interested in helping the team and are instead focused on your own advancement. Therefore, it's important to be respectful and mindful in your relationships with others by keeping their feelings and needs in mind. In the long run, this can help people get along better and prevent arguments. Number 5, being aggressive. When someone is aggressive or confrontational, they are acting in a way that is likely to cause fear in those around them. Others may feel threatened or uneasy around you if you constantly yell or speak at a high volume. Threatening or intimidating someone to accomplish what you want is an unpleasant and counterproductive way to go about things. Using physical force or violence to gain your way is not only destructive, but also highly intimidating. This kind of conduct can make people feel threatened and uneasy, which might develop into hostility. Therefore, even if you strongly disagree with someone, it is still polite to express yourself in a calm and friendly manner. To put it another way, this can be a useful tool for preventing arguments and keeping friendships strong. Make sure to check out the rest of the videos on our channel. Like and comment on this video. And remember to subscribe to never miss a video. Number 6. Being unreliable. One who is unreliable or flaky is not trustworthy or dependable. If you say you're going to do something and don't follow through, people may start to doubt your reliability. For instance, failure to appear at the appointed time can cause others to lose faith in you and harm your professional reputation. Others may believe they cannot rely on you if you have trouble making decisions or if you regularly alter your commitments. The inability to rely on you increases the likelihood that others will dislike you. Therefore, maintaining the trust and preventing damage to relationships requires being reliable and following through on promises made. Number 7. Being disrespectful. To be rude or disrespectful to others is to treat them in a condescending manner. You may come out as ungrateful and unpleasant if you speak to them in a rude or impatient manner. For instance, when you're chronically late or demand too much of someone's time without compensating for it, you risk insulting them and earning their resentment. Always keep in mind that people who provide you with assistance are also human beings who deserve your respect and kindness. If you treat others badly, they may come to view you as ungrateful and unfriendly. Therefore, being polite and thoughtful while interacting with others is always recommended, as it can lead to improved relationships and a more enjoyable experience for all parties. If you want to make friends and keep them, you should be conscious of these behaviors and work hard to change them.